How to use TikTok Live Multi-Guest feature. To use the TikTok's Live Multi-Guest feature, first of all, you simply have to turn on the feature itself. Go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your device. Now you simply have to go ahead and then tap on this plus button from the bottom navigation bar. Now all you have to do is switch to the live option from this upper panel if it is available. Now once you tap on the go live option, all you have to do is once your broadcast begins, tap the multi-guest or guest icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then inside the guest pop-up window, tap the setting gear icon in the top right corner. Then turn the allow guest request from the viewers option on. Once you turn this on, choose whether you want to allow requests from everyone or restrict them to followers only. Once you do this, you should be able to enjoy the live multi-guest feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.